If you are looking for how to create a 3D pizza style, just like these ones that you are watching right now, ranging from how to get the prompts, how I generated the images, down to the videos, how they were able to talk, and also how I was able to couple them together as a one particular video, then you have to sit with me and let me put you through on step by step on how I was able to generate every one of them, just like this one.
We should have found him by now.
Maybe he's just fashionably lost?
A fudge-shaped place? Oh, wait.
Never mind, just a rock-shaped sandwich.
Fuzzy? Wait, do you see that?
What if we're too late?
Hey, heroes don't quit in the middle of the desert.
You're right. Let's keep going.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Queen, your coach, and this is Queen AI Lab. Please subscribe, like, and share to show your support.
Okay, to create a 3D pizza style, exactly like what we just saw now, the first thing to do is to come over to ChatGPT and drop in our prompt, just like this one here. I drop in my prompt, and instantly ChatGPT will analyze everything, the prompt I give, and start creating all the images for us, all the prompt that is needed to create this same thing. As you can see it over here. All right, now ChatGPT has finished creating all the text to prompt and image to video that we requested earlier. Don't worry, the prompt to this tutorial is right there in the comment section. You can go over there, pick it up, and start creating your own. So now we have gotten our prompts ready. The next thing to do is to first of all create the key characters, which is the boy and the monster. So to do that, we'll pick our prompt here, we'll highlight our prompt and copy it, then we'll take it to Whisk. We'll take it to Whisk. Yes, I'm using Whisk for us to get a consistent character. So what I'll do here is to drop in my prompt in the Whisk, and I hit the generate. Over here, you can see that Whisk are giving us our prompt, the character, the main character of the boy. This is the main character. The boy looks very good and okay. So if you want to get a consistent character, the next thing to do here now is to put this boy in the subject image by dragging him from here and drop it over here. So when you drop it over here now, it will fit here as the main character of the image. So the next thing we'll do is to get the second character, which is the furry monster. We pick the second character as well, copy it back to Whisk, and we'll drop the prompt here. Then we'll generate it. All right, now we have our two characters. Can see the furry. This one, it looks so good. Two of them are very okay. So we'll still drop it here over by clicking on this plus sign here to get the second image. We'll drop it as well over this place. Why I'm dropping it here is that so that I won't have to be repeating the image characters again. So because once you're using Whiskey to generate, it's easy for you to get a consistent character by dropping them over to this left side of the box. So now that we have our two characters ready, the next thing is to start generating the scene by scene. You can see over there we have about 12 scenes here on the ChatGPT. This is scene 1.3. We have about 12 scenes ready for us. So what we need to do here is start to generate all the scenes one after the other. Pick the text to image scenes, copy it, and move to the Whisk. Remove this one here, press the new prompt here. Now what you will do here now is you have to make sure that these two check marks are highlighted. As they are highlighted, Whisk AI will be able to be using these same two characters to create all your scene images. Okay, to create all your scene images. So once we have done that, we hit create. Wow, we can see two is there already, so we'll use one. We are using this particular one, so we'll pick the next one as well. So now all our images are now ready. As you can see, every one of them, they look exactly the same from beginning to the end. So after we have gotten our images ready, the next thing is to download all our images into our system by clicking on this download button here. So when we are done, the next stage is to move them into Grok and animate every one of them. So the next step is to come over to Grok AI to animate every one of them. So here on Grok AI, you have to click on this place. Meanwhile, choose that you are generating video and choose your aspect ratio. Then you come over to this attachment here and click on upload file. Now over here, you can see all the images that we downloaded. We start from the beginning, which is this one here. This was the first thing here. So as this first thing is loading, let's go to ChatGPT to copy our video prompts with the dialogue. So this is our video prompt here in ChatGPT. So we'll copy this whole prompt here together with the dialogue. You can see both of them we are conversating. So the next thing we'll do is here, our image is ready on Grok. We drop in our prompts over here. So you can see the prompt here. Now we hit send. So our video is ready. Let's look at it.
We should have found him by now.
Maybe he's just fashionably lost?
Can you see that? So we have to repeat
We should have
all
found him by
the
now.
images.
Maybe.
Now we have to repeat all the prompts one after the other according to all the images that we generated. Okay, that's what we are going to do from beginning to the end. As you can see as well, this one is still ready. So we'll do the next one as well with the same format. All right, now all our content is ready. All our video generations, they are all ready. As we can see it here now, you can see every one of them, they are ready. So the next thing is to join them together using CapCut. So let's move over to CapCut. Then we have to import all our videos from here. So import our video by selecting every one of them to the end and open it. So if you are enjoying this content, please do well to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up and share it so that other people will as well learn from it. So now that our contents are already here, you need to look for the beginning of it. Look for the very first one, which is this one. You click on it to see.
We should have found him by now.
Then you click the plus, click the plus to drop it into the. So click on plus to drop every one of them, one after the other. So now, as you can see now, we have gotten all our content ready. So we'll play it. Let's see what happened here.
We should have found him by now.
Maybe he's just fashionably lost?
That shape, please.
So when you are done with your editing in CapCut, you can decide to add music background here. You can decide to add transitions, whichever that you wish to do. All right, now the next thing is to add, you can decide to add music background to your audio. So you click on the audios here. But for me, I already have the audio that I got from Suno. So I have to click on import. And this is it here. I drop it. Then I drag it down. So if you are done with all your configuration, the next thing you use to do is to hit export. So as we export it now, let's move over. Let's see our output of what we just generated.
We should have found him by now.
Maybe he's just fashionably lost?
That shape, please.
Never mind, just a rock-shaped sandwich.
Fuzzy. Wait, do you see that?
What if we're too late?
Hey, heroes don't quit in the middle of the desert.
You're right. Let's keep going.
Okay, this is not a sandwich.
Pull over. Let's check here. That light. I know.
Yes, that's it. That's our crate. I told you, desert heroes.
Thanks for not giving up.